In this short video, we will learn how to add marks in a report. So click on Home, then click on Show All Courses, then click on the grade and click on Grade Management. After this, you will reach this interface. Select the reports as required, then select the category which exam you are entering the marks. Then select the correct section. You will see the list of all students in that section in that grade. Here you can enter the marks like this. For example, this student has scored 20. Or you can give maximum marks also if he has scored maximum marks in his subject. If you try to enter more than that, you will get this error message and it will give the maximum marks only. So after entering all the marks of students, you have to click on Save All. Then it will be saved. Then you can go for another section or another grade. Say for example, maximum students have scored maximum marks. Say out of 20 students, 18 students have scored maximum marks. Instead of typing 25 to each students, we can fill once at a time by clicking on this fill report card. Again, take care to select the correct section and exam. Then click on this plus mark for the selected exam. You can give title or you can leave this and select the maximum marks and make this tick. You have to keep this checked and then create. Then you will see all the students have scored. You have given to maximum marks to all students. You can change who has scored less, and that's all. After this, you have to click on submit. Then, if you go to this view grades, because I'm not going to save here and I would like to go back, I will clear the marks. But you have to click on submit and go to this view all grades. I think it's not allowing us, but after submitting, you can go here and change the marks, edit the marks of students who have scored less than maximum marks or whatever marks they have exactly scored, and then click on save. So this way you can enter the marks in the report. Thank you.